Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at the dodge and burn tools. So the dodge and burn tools can either lighten or darken particular areas using a brush. And they're based off of traditional photography tools in the darkroom, the dodge and burn tool. So you can see here the dodge tool, it kind of looks like a circle on a stick, and that's actually what it is. In the darkroom, we would kind of cut out a piece of paper and tape it to kind of like a skewer or a small coat hanger wire, and it would allow us to block light coming from the enlarger, which would then block it from getting to the paper, and those areas would be lighter because they weren't getting exposed as long. And the burn tool, it looks like it's a hand, right, with kind of like a hole, kind of crimping your fingers to create a hole, and that's what you actually did in traditional photography. You would put your, when you pressed the enlarger to turn it on, you would put your hand there and let the light just go through the hole of your hand and burn or add light to your photo paper, add more seconds by letting the light go through your hand and target specific areas of your paper to make it darker. So these these two icons are true to what they are. So let's look at the dodge tool first. So the dodge tool, you can see it's a brush, and I could bracket key up, make it bigger or smaller. Now typically the exposure starts at 50. I think that's a lot. So I usually am around 15 to 20% when I begin with this. But so that you can see this quicker and see it working quicker, I'm going to just move it up higher. So what will happen is wherever I paint will lighten up those areas. And I'll just bring it down. So you can see I'm just going to kind of, maybe just in some spots where I just want to get the highlights maybe just a little bit brighter. You know, I could paint just like this. See that? In the cheeks here. And typically what a photographer will do, they will actually lighten up the areas of the eye. Just so you can see this, I'm going to do it pretty quick here. So you just get a little bit more white out of the eyes, like that. And when you zoom out, your eyes will kind of pop a little bit better, and you can kind of see it worked there. The dodge tool, or excuse me, this was the dodge tool, but the burn tool, we'll try that now, will darken areas, darken shadowed areas. As you can see here, so or if I wanted to darken one of the lighter areas, it can absolutely do that too. But you can kind of, and this is a lot, 50%. I usually, as I said, I like kind of just paint with this tool a little bit, and you can see how that works. Also, the dodge tool, I'm going to go back to it because the dodge tool can really help in bringing out highlights of hair a little bit better, and you can see there. So the dodge and burn tool, these are good tools to use to help target some areas that you'd like to lighten or darken in your photography. So good luck and give it a try.